Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to explain how to create Mackenzie's chart in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see we have a sample data for Mackenzie's chart where students evaluated their teachers based on certain parameters from a score line starting from 1 to 50. Now based on overall score, we are going to represent this evaluation in the form of Mackenzie's chart. Let's do it. First, let me bring these questions right over here. So I will write is equal text, press enter, and let me copy this down to the rest of the cells like this. In the next cell, I'm going to write again is equal, and the function that I'm going to use is repeat function, REP tab. Now here we need to enter the text that we want to be repeated. But before that, let me insert double quotes. Let me bring in emojis window to insert a particular text over here. In order to bring in emojis window, simply press window key and dot on your keyboard. Click over here in the symbols and I'm going to choose this particular option. Again, double quotes, comma. So how many number of times you want this particular text to be repeated? We want this many times. Now close the bracket. Now I want this symbol to be joined with another symbol. For that, I'm going to insert ampersand sign. As you know, ampersand is actually used for concatenation. Again, double quotes. And the second symbol that I would like to connect the previous one with is this one. Or you can choose whatever you want. Space, quotes, and finally I want this number to be associated with the line. For that, I will insert ampersand sign again, 47, and simply press enter now. And there you go. Now simply copy the formula down to rest of the cells like this. And there we have our Mackenzie's chart in Microsoft Excel. Let me select the chart like this. Press Ctrl+1, go to the border and select outline, and from the border style you can choose any one of these, and from here you can choose the color, and I'm gonna choose this dark blue color. Click on OK, and there you go. Let me select it from here. Go to home tab, and simply this is actually the text, so you can actually decrease the font size or increase the font size right from here. And similarly, you can also change the fonts, which will change the variation of this Mackenzie's chart. Like you can see the different variations that can be had by inserting different fonts. Similarly, you can also change the color of these lines right from here, like this. And likewise, if you don't want this square to be placed at the end of this line, then you can simply change it from the formula. Let me delete it. And from the symbols, I'm going to choose this standing square like this, press enter, and now you can simply drag it down like this. And you can also change this line from here as well. For example, you could insert simply dash, press enter, and it would change like this. Now if the score line is too large and your Mackenzie's chart extend out of this page, then you can simply come into the formula bar and divide this repetition by a certain number of times. For example, I'm going to insert 5, press enter, and there you go. Now you can see the size gets reduced, and if you copy the formula to the rest of the cells, your chart gets reduced. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.